guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We are announcing our Not Too Shabby channel YouTube membership. So you can join by clicking on that join button down below next to that subscribe button. You're going to see two tiers, one for $6.99, and it comes with some really cute loyalty badges, and they are coffee cups and teacups. You guys know I love my coffee. There's also going to be some fun emojis. There's going to be a monthly sketch that you can download that's provided by Teresa, Fresh and Renew with Teresa. So she's going to provide that for members only every month. Teresa's going to do a series Tuesday with Teresa, so she's going to have a post each month. So there's going to be card making videos from me. There's going to be live stream videos from me. I'm going to do some coloring videos. I'm going to go in depth with my coloring. And I'm also going to do some card making videos exclusive to members only. Our YouTube channel is not going to change. It's going to stay the same. You're still going to get the great free content that you already get. This is going to be extra exclusive content from me. I'll also provide a free digital stamp each month. I want to give you different things so your money is well spent. And if you want to join tier number 2, there's going to be an exclusive discount and sales just for the members that you can use over at the Not Too Shabby shop. So if you're a frequent buyer at the Not Too Shabby shop, tier 2 may pay for itself. I'm also going to be sending out a handmade card from me each month you're a member, and that's for tier number 2. So check it out. If you're interested, hit that join button. I would love for you to support my channel in this way, and I want to thank you so much in advance. And I will see you over in the membership.